action. Take one, take two, boom. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I know I've been gone for like ages. I've been gone for like almost a year, but don't hate me. Anyway, so this video is like, this tutorial is just like a quick, easy tutorial because Rue has the model. So she has a blog where she talks about restaurants she's gone to or food she's made basically. And I also love to bake, I also love to cook, as well as I love makeup, fashion, yeah. So we were like, let's do something. So we were actually like cooking some oxtail while doing makeup. See, who says girls can't multitask? Whatever. So yeah, that was basically why I was doing this makeup tutorial. So I'm not really gonna talk about the makeup and whatnot, but I'm just gonna delve into life in general. So I know I've been gone for like a year or so, but honestly I needed it. My creative side was dying. I wasn't generally very happy, and I needed a lot of motivation, and I just didn't feel it. Like my space was not right. Like I felt like everything was like repeated. So I involuntarily took a break because I was actually recording a lot of videos, but I would watch them back and I just didn't like them, so I didn't want to edit them and then post them. And this video was actually one of them. Like pretty much all my late videos was one of them. And it actually got to the point where I was just like, I'm not even gonna bother to record any video because I will probably watch it and not like it. And it applied to my pictures. Like even pictures people would take of me, I would look at it and I'd just be like, I don't like it. I don't like how I look. I just didn't like anything. And so for that reason I took a break from everything. I'm currently on my placement year, and I'm actually like, I did half of it in China right now. I'm in like Brussels. I say it like it's some weird thing, but it is. Like anyway, it is. So like, but when I went to China, I was like, I can't do it. Like I can't put my happiness on likes and follows and subscribers and all these things. So I deactivated a lot of things and I stopped replying people. I just stopped communicating with friends and with the world just because I needed a break. I needed me to improve. I needed my mindset to change. And I was trying to find motivation. And part of finding motivation is finding yourself and seeing what you are and who you are. And so part of that was me just discovering myself and discovering that I had talents and I was good at quite a number of things. Not trying to be some jack of all things and master of none. Trying to be a master of some. Anyway, so while out there I realized I really did like this YouTube thing and I really wanted to get it out there, not just because I want the subscribers with the money, nothing, just because I'm someone I like to talk and I like to be very motivational and I like to push my friends, my family, whoever you are, whatever you want to do, holler at me and I'll be ready to be like, okay, this is it, this is how we gonna go, you gonna blow, my nigga, you will. So because of that, that's really why I want to really keep doing this YouTube. Like if I can motivate 100 people out there, I'm blessed, honestly. So like this whole year I was on like self-discovery, my journey with Christ, my journey with the world, my journey with myself. And so yeah, 2017 was not really like perfect year, but it was a stepping stone for me and it gave me the grace to know that I could do things, I'm talented. You know, I was meeting people like for the first time and they looked at me and they were believing that yes, this girl, like your talent is there, so you keep pushing, sis. And for me that was a lot, just because, you know, when you giving self negativity for so long and then you have other people giving you positivity, like self positivity, it's very strange. So like having that, I was just like, this is what do you guys like me, what do you see in me, because I couldn't see it for myself. And I'm not saying now like my vision is 2020 when it comes to self positivity, but I'm gonna say it's at least, you know, 15-20. I'm happy with who I am and I'm happy where I am. Like I don't want to jump in and out of conversations, but I think one of the reasons I didn't find a lot of self positivity was also I was trying to look for it in the wrong people. I was trying to look for it in guys, and honestly, nah. So when I stopped searching for my happiness in a guy, in a man, I discovered it. Like it's weird, but I realized like I don't need them, so why should I have them? So anyway, I'm gonna do like I have a lot of videos like backlog, so I'm gonna edit them and post them. And rather than talking about the makeup, I'm just gonna like do voiceovers like this, talking about life and things I want to do, things I'm trying to do, and how I want to put my YouTube out there, and I want to put my photography out there. So yeah, remember to like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna put Rue's detail. She has a blog called RueDoesFood, so you need to check her out. You can also check my YouTube. We're on it. Photography account, which is the consumer-based Gemini. So check me out, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.